if you need to find a polynomial with roots of 1, -5, and 3, that means 1 is a 0, -5 is a 0, and 3 is a 0. So let's start by doing this. We're making a function, and it needs to have an x minus 1 in the function, because if you plug in 1 right now, 1 minus 1 gives you 0. It is indeed a root. But we don't want to mess up this 1 being a 0, so we have to keep everything in factored form. We're going to do x plus 5. That's going to be another root of our function, because now if you plug -5 in here, -5 plus 5 gives you 0, and 0 distributes to whatever this number turns out to be. And then we'll do the same thing for the last piece. That has to be x minus 3. That way 3 is a 0. Okay, so this is our function, but if you want it in standard form, you just have to multiply everything out. So x times x gives us x squared. X times 5 gives us 5x. -1 times x gives us -x. And -1 times 5 gives us -5. So cleaning that up a bit, the first two parentheses multiply to be x squared plus 4x minus 5. And then the second parentheses we haven't multiplied yet. Still x minus 3. So to finish putting this in standard form, you got to multiply that green parentheses times that black parentheses. So the first number, x times x, gives you x to the third. X squared, sorry, that's x squared times x. So x squared times -3 gives us -3x squared. Maybe different colors will help here. 4x times x gives us 4x squared. 4x times -3 gives us -12x. And then we've got for our final one, -5. That's a -5 from up top. -5 times x gives us -5x. And -5 times -3 gives us positive 15. So we're almost there. Now we just have to combine like terms. Nothing to match up with x to the third. We got -3x squared plus 4x squared. That makes positive 1x squared. We got -12 minus 5. We're going further in debt, so that's -17x. And then positive 15 to end that guy off. This is our polynomial, because it all started with x minus 1, x plus 5, x minus 3, things that guaranteed these to be zeros. And we just expanded into standard form.